All right, first lesson. Shush. First lesson, you need to be able to label right-angled triangles. So these are the notes that would apply today. In geometry, unknown angles are always called theta. So it's like an oval that's standing up with a line through it. So theta is what we use to identify unknown angles. In algebra, what's the default? What's the go-to unknown? X. In maths, people have accepted that the unknown angle, we'll just refer to it as theta. Okay? You should be aware of that. It's an oval with a line through it. Right-angled triangles have three sides. There's nothing special about a right-angled triangle except it's got a right angle in it. And so today's first lesson, all you need to be able to do from today's first lesson is label the three sides of a right-angled triangle. The first side is the hypotenuse, which is height. That's always across from the right angle. So in this triangle here, A, B, and C, which side is going to be the hypotenuse? Which side is across from the right angle in ABC here? CB. That's the hypotenuse. What you'll also notice in a right-angled triangle is the hypotenuse is always the longest one. So that's the other way to find it. So I am just asking you in this first exercise to label things. No maths required. You don't need a calculator for that. The other two sides. The opposite side, OPP, is across from the angle theta. So I've already labeled hypotenuse here. Which of these two sides, AC or AB, is across from theta? AC. So you label AC, opposite, and there's only one left over. In real life, adjacent. Adjacent is a term in real life meaning beside. I am adjacent to our Japanese exchange student right now. I'm not going to say her name. I'm adjacent to her right now. Okay? The other way to do it is just work out the two more obvious ones. And what's left over? The adjacent one. So hopefully you can see why I'm not just that teacher that goes, oh, this is easy, and then gives you the hardest maths ever possible. There's no maths here. You look at the freaking triangle. You look at the side that's opposite the right angle, and you say that's the hypotenuse. Then you look at the side that's opposite the angle, and you call it the opposite one. And then you write adjacent on the leftover. Hopefully you could do the other two yourself. That's a lolly. Stop recording there.